Hello, Tommy. I'm happy you came to visit me. How are you? Hello, Grandpa. I'm good, I guess. And how are you? Is everything okay? You're not being honest. You don't look good. What happened? Tell me. Everything's fine. And how is my grandmom? I haven't seen her. She's fine. She went to the store to buy some vegetables. She will cook something delicious. Oh, that's great. I love her food. I can't wait to eat her delicious chicken stew. Yeah, her food is the best. Now tell me, what happened? Oh, I hadn't noticed. You're wearing your karate uniform. You look great. How's that going? Your mom told me you are doing an excellent job. I'm so proud of you, my grandson. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, karate is fine. My teacher is a good teacher. I know you have a good teacher. I know you're doing great at karate. But that's not all. There is something you are not telling me. Come on, Tommy. You can tell me. All right, I will tell you. The thing is that I don't like karate. You don't like karate? Wow, that's new for me. I thought you loved karate. No, I don't like it. I am good at karate, but I don't like it much. That's the problem. Okay then, why don't you give up your karate classes? You can do it. Yeah, I suppose I can talk to my parents about it. I will tell them I will give up karate classes. Yes, that's the solution. But that's not the main problem, right? What is it? I don't know. I am not sure. I don't feel good about some things. Yes, I know. You can tell me whatever you want. I'm all ears. It's not only about the karate classes. I don't know what to do with my life. I finished the school last year. I got good grades. I was sure I was going to study at the college. Yes, and you will do it. You took your exam. Your result will be good. Don't worry. No, Grandpa, I ruined it. I took my exam and I didn't get it. And deep down, I think I wanted it to be that way. I don't want to study engineering anymore. No? Why not? I was sure your dream was to become the best engineer. And now you're telling me you don't want to study engineering. Wow, I don't understand. Do your parents know about this decision? Did you tell them? No, I didn't tell them anything. They will get mad at me. I'm sure about that. I disappointed them. And you too, Grandpa. I'm really sorry. I am a loser. I'm not disappointed. I know you changed your mind, and that is Understandable. Seriously? Aren't you angry with me? I thought you were gonna be disappointed. Why will I be like that? You're still young. You will have time to study something later. Yeah, but what if I don't want to study at the college? What if I don't want to study anything? And that will be okay too. Many people choose not to study something, and that is okay. Seriously? But I don't know what to study. It is my future. It is terrible. And that's not all. Do you remember I got a job at Uncle Charlie's store? Yes, I remember you told me about it. You were helping your uncle at his store. Well, I don't work there anymore. I've been running late the last few days, and it's because I don't feel motivated. I feel like I don't want to work there anymore. I understand. I had a lot of jobs in my life, and some of them were terrible. Yeah, but I had to keep that job. It was only 3 hours a day, and the payment was good. My life was perfect. I was working in the store, I had some money, I was about to study, and I also practiced karate, something I will give up now. I don't know. But these things don't make me happy anymore. What's going on with me? I hate it. Look, that feeling is something normal. There is a point in life where we all feel like this. We feel we are lost. We feel like everything we do is wrong. And that's okay. No, that's not okay. I need to do something with my life. I can't be a lazy man. Lazy man? You're only 17 years old. You're very young. You have a lot of time to decide what to do with your life. Don't worry. Then what should I do? Should I just sit down and relax? Should I do nothing? That can work to start. But then you need to organize your ideas. Why don't you make a list of the things you like and enjoy to do? It will help. Then you will choose something to start with. It will help you take a decision. I tell you again, there is no need to rush into making an important decision in your life. You are still young, and of course, you will make a lot of mistakes. But that has to happen. You have been doing a lot of things for years. You were the best student. You were a good son and a great brother. Just take a deep breath and relax. Thank you, Grandpa. I feel much better now. I think I will take that exam again. I think all I needed was to talk to someone like you. I really thank you. I feel good now. Whenever you want. I will be here whenever you want, my grandson. I love you. I hope you liked this conversation.
If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.